Once upon a time, a shepherd boy sat under a tree leaving his sheep to graze. Sitting idly with nothing to do can be boring, and playfully yelling, "Wolf! The wolf is coming! The wolf is coming to kill and eat my sheep," cried the boy. People who were playing in the neighboring fields heard the boy's cry and rushed towards the boy's place. Everyone came near the boy and saw that he was resting without worry. And he started laughing incessantly at the people who visited there. The visitors reprimanded the boy not to lie like this and went about their business. After a while the boy again said, "Wolf! The wolf is coming," he shouted. This time the people who heard the noise and ran, saw his sneer and got angry. "Don't lie like this. To be honest, when something like this happens, no one will come forward to help you." They advised that and left. The boy again after a while said for the third time, "The wolf is coming." "Wolf!" he shouted. Thinking that he is lying again, none of the villagers come forward to save him. But this time the wolf really came and ravaged the sheep he was tending and left. Because of this, the boy sat down on the mountain crying. As the boy did not return home late in the evening, his parents went to the hills in search of the boy with the help of the villagers. When the boy who was crying was asked about the details, he said, "Indeed the wolf came, then I called you and no one came to help. The wolf chased the sheep away, and the sheep scattered and went in all directions. Why didn't anyone come to help me when I called?" he asked. Then an old man from the village said, "People don't believe liars. No one will take the words of liars as truth, even if they speak the truth." Said that, then he told them all to go home, saying that they can all go home and look for sheep in the morning. All the people including the boy started moving towards the house. Justice: liars can break trust. Even if liars tell the truth, no one will believe them.